preliminary investigation into the crash of the Azerbaijan Airlines plane near Kazakhstan initially pointed to a bird collision as the cause. However, as social media buzzes with conflicting theories, the story may not be as clear-cut as it seems. Was it really a bird strike, or could there be something more sinister at play? The plane carried 67 passengers and 5 crew members, with 38 confirmed dead after the crash near Aktau, Kazakhstan. The plane, en route from Baku in Azerbaijan to Grozny in Russia, was reportedly circling Aktau airport awaiting clearance for an emergency landing when it tragically went down. Videos allegedly showing the wreckage of the plane have sparked wild theories, most notably that the aircraft might have been shot down. Some clips purport to show what appear to be bullet holes in the fuselage, leading to whispers of a Russian air defense attack. Social media users are calling the damage shrapnel, fueling the idea that the plane could have been targeted. However, these videos have not been independently verified, leaving the question of authenticity wide open. According to a media report, the crew reported a sudden and strong impact on the plane's hull, initially attributing it to a potential bird strike. But there is more to this story. Later, reports suggest it was likely caused by an explosion of an oxygen tank, which is connected to the cockpit for depressurization emergencies. This explosion supposedly damaged the fuselage, causing it to break apart. Yet, online voices are suggesting that the incident might be linked to Russian air defense systems. A foreign defense analyst, James J. Marlow, posted on X, citing unconfirmed reports that the plane could have been mistakenly intercepted by Russian defense systems. The theory gained traction, especially after it was revealed that the aircraft had been flying over Dagestan before it disappeared from flight tracking system, suggesting it might have crossed into an area of heightened military activity. Adding fuel to the fire, the plane's path showed it reappeared on radar an hour later, flying over western Kazakhstan before the crash. Was this a sign of military interference? Was the plane in the wrong place at the wrong time? As authorities continue their investigation, the mix of official reports and online rumors paints a far more complex picture of what may have happened. Bureau Report, OTV News.